The 15 kilowatt pelletizer with conical rollers is now available in a pellet version. Thanks to its updated design, productivity has increased by 1.5 times compared to the older model. The pelletizer features a hypoid gearbox and high-quality bearings, Czech ZKL, Japanese NTN, and Franco-Japanese SNR. Key advantage: conical rollers. The even rotation across their entire width provides higher productivity, double the lifespan of the die-on rollers, quieter operation. Roller design requires no maintenance or lubrication. The central shaft is made of spring steel with heat treatment to withstand extreme loads. Features: easy axis alignment adjustment for precise assembly and extended motor and gearbox lifespan. Hopper and spout made of stainless steel, dual protection, thermal relay and ammeter. Productivity on pine sawdust: 2.86 kg per minute or over 171 kg per hour. Leave requests on the website or write comments to learn more.